So after the creation and assignment of chart of accounts, what we have to do is we have to define the account groups. So what does this account group mean? Account group means segregating your GL accounts to different groups. Yes, account group means segregating your GL accounts to different groups. In SAP, it is mandatory that you need to have at least two groups. One is balance sheet and another is profit and loss account. But based on your business requirement, you can have more than two. So this is the screenshot from one of the project blueprint. See, here you can see the account groups defined for it and its number range. See here, for the account group FAST, the description is given as fixed assets. Okay, and the number range is from 1 followed by 5 zeros to 100,999. In the same way, the account group ADEP, it is described as accumulated depreciation, and the number range is from 102 followed by 3 zeros, and 2 number range is 102,999. So accordingly, you have got many account groups, INVS, MATS, SDRS, and it is given the description and also the number range. So please observe the table which is just showing on your screen and see to the account groups, its description and the number range, that is from and to number range. In our learning activity, I will take 4 groups. That is, under balance sheet, I'll create assets and liabilities, and under profit and loss, I'll create income and expenses. Okay, account groups has one more important feature. Yes, this account groups has one more important feature. What is that? It manages the field of GL creation. But as learned earlier, field status group always manages the field of GL posting. But the account group always manages the fields of GL creation. So, account groups will manage with the 4 options. What are those 4 options? That is required, optional, suppress and display. You're already aware of 3 options. Only additional we see here is display. Display means it will just display but cannot take any input from the user. So, let's make the configuration in SAP. To make the configuration, where we have to go? It is SPRO. So let's go to SPRO. There SAP reference ING. Here financial accounting. Then comes the general ledger accounting, GL accounts, master data, preparations, and finally you have to click on this define account group. Can you see this? So you have to click on this define account group. And as I said previously, we are defining 4 account groups. That is 2 for profit and loss and 2 for balance sheet. Now, what I'll do is I'll just click on this new entries button. Can you see this new entries? Yes, I'll click on this new entries button. Type charts of accounts. I'll give the account group code as ASST for assets and description as assets and the range as 1249. That is 9999. Now, make another entry for liability. What do you have to do? You have to make another entry for the liability. So, type chart of accounts. I'll give the account group code as LIAB and the description as liability. For the range, you have to make sure that there is no overlapping of the accounting range. It is very important, guys. For the range, you have to make sure that there is no overlapping of account range. So I'll give the range as 10000, that is 1 followed by 4 zeros to 1 followed by 4 nines, that is 10000 to 19999. Okay. Then it is income account group. What comes is income account group. Account group code is INCO. Okay, account group code is INCO and the description as income, and I'll give the range as 20000, that is 2 followed by 4 zeros to 2 4 nines, that is 29999, 2 followed by 4 nines. So the range is 20000 to 29999. Similarly, for expense type of chart of accounts, I'll give the account group code as EXPE. I'll give the account group code as EXPE and the description as expenses. Okay, and the description as expenses. For the range, you have to make sure that there is no overlapping of accounting range. So I'll give the range as 30000, that is 3 followed by 4 zeros to 3 followed by 4 nines, that is 30000 to 39999. This configuration has its effect during the GL account creation. That means whenever you're creating asset account under asset account group, then you need to create within its range. Yes, you need to create within this range. The same case for other accounts too. So what we have to do is we have to just save the data. So I'll click on this save button. Okay. Good. As I said already, account group also manages the fields for the GL account creation. To see the fields under your account group, what you have to do is you have to click on any of the account group and click on the field status and double click on this account control. See, from here you can manage the fields of GL account creation. Yes, you can manage the fields of GL account creation. So you can make the fields to be mandatory, optional, hidden or display. If I select as display, then I can just make the field to display but not accept any input. Yes guys, congratulations, we completed our configuration on account groups. Great.